Do you want to replace an old in-house telephone with a new one? Is the existing flush-mounted box too large for the new Zeidler in-house telephone? Then cover the flush-mounted box with a Zeidler retrofit panel. It's fast and simple. Take a look for yourself. Disconnect the power supply. Remove the old in-house telephone. Disconnect the wire connections and note down the colours that correspond to each terminal. For example, by taking a photo with your mobile phone or by consulting the old in-house telephone's wiring. Loosen the fastening screws and remove the mounting frame. Now install the retrofit panel. Pull the wires through the opening. Align the retrofit panel and fasten it to the 4 fixing points. Place the new in-house telephone's base plate on the retrofit panel and screw it in tight. Wire the new in-house telephone. Assign the coloured wires to the same terminals as on the in-house telephone that you have just replaced. Snap on the cover panel of the in-house telephone's housing. Replace the handset. Switch on the power supply. Perform a function test. Done. The Zeidler retrofit panel. A clever and simple modernisation. Further details can be found in the product information, including a comparison between the old and the new device wiring. You will find product information together with the device and at www.zeidler.com. We would like to thank Stolz Elektro, Eimeldingen, for their professional support.